guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll share a wonderful home treatment recipe to get rid of your cracked and dry feet in less than a week. It's common to have hardened and cracked heels, especially in the winter. You may perform a number of self-care activities at home to relieve dryness and repair cracked skin. Removing part of the dead skin is harmless as long as you do so gently. When the skin around the rim of your heel becomes dry and thick, your heels might crack, and increased pressure on the fat pad beneath the heel causes the skin to split. Obesity, wearing open-heeled footwear such as sandals, and having cold, dry skin are all factors that might contribute to cracked heels. Also, heel dryness and cracking can be exacerbated by friction from the back of your shoes. Symptoms may be alleviated by wearing supportive, correctly fitting, closed shoes with socks. Excess weight loss might also help to relieve pressure on your heels and prevent cracking. And now, allow us to share this home remedy, foot mask with banana and avocado. Avocados are high in vitamins A, E, omega fatty acids, and other elements that help the body heal wounds. Banana is a natural moisturizer. These characteristics could aid in the treatment of certain ailments and cracked heels. Ingredients: you'll require 1 ripe banana, a half avocado. Method of preparation: mix half an avocado and a ripe banana together. This thick, creamy paste should be applied to your heels and feet. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, before rinsing it off with lukewarm water. How often should you do this? Do this on a daily basis. Try this natural recipe, and you will get an amazing result in less than a week. If you liked this video, please do share, thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, because there are more important and useful tips that will be coming after this video. And if you have any questions, just comment in the comment section of the video. Thank you very much for watching.